Hello everyone, nice to meet you here again. Today I'm going to show you a new product. It's called Pi enclosure. It's compatible with Raspberry Pi 3, 2 and B+. Also, it can fit for your Raspberry Pi 3 Mode B+. Alright. It has two different color, white and black. You can see that. I choose black, and it's very easy to assemble these things. You can see that. Here is a shield for the GPL pin and for the fine, and you can find 3 pieces of this case. Okay, let's unboxing. It's protected very well, and remove the protective film. You can see this Ethernet USB. There a mark on the top of the layer, and you can just remove the shield from the top of the enclosure. And here is there are 3 heat sinks. 2 of them are made from maybe aluminum. Yeah, one of them is copper. Okay. There are 4 nuts, 4 screws, and 4 pipes. Maybe we can put them here. Anti-slipper. It's a mini fan, and with 4 screws. You can fix the fan to here. All right. Let's there are 2 different parts. All right, and let's try this one first. Raspberry Pi 3 Mode B. Okay, and this is a SD card slot, so you can just put your Raspberry Pi in it, and you can fix your Raspberry Pi with these screws. Okay, it's 4, and I just try to assemble it. Okay, and it's fit for the Raspberry Pi 3 Mode B perfectly. Okay, let's remove the Pi and try this one. Is Raspberry Pi 2 Mode B in the same way. Alright, display, DSI interface, GPL header, and camera, HDMI, audio. Okay, the last one, let's check the Raspberry Pi 3 Mode B Plus. It's a latest version of Raspberry Pi. It also fits for the Raspberry Pi 3 Mode B Plus. You can see that GPIO pin. It's fit for the case perfectly. All right. So I can hook up this on my television and make media center use this Raspberry Pi. All right. Let's move it. And if you want to stick the copper heatsink, you have to remove the plastic. All right. Let's put it on your main chip. Okay, and this one is put here. So put this one in here. All right. Remove the blue tape. Okay, perfect. And the copper heatsink. All right. Let's mix them together. Okay, it's perfect fit. Last one is to fix the your fine here. If you want to trim the air from the back of the panel, you can just put the fine like this. Okay, and use this for schools to to fix it uses this for schools to fix the fan. So and be careful the power cable of the fan. You need to connect to this pin. You can see that this pin. This is 5 volts ground. So the right wire connect to the 5 volt here. You can see that this pin is 5 volts. This pin is 502. This pin 5 volts ground on the right side. All right. The red wire will connect to this pin header, and the ground means the black wire is connected to here. All right. You can see that. Okay. Okay. Find a screwdriver, and fix the fan to this panel. And put okay. Final step is to take out this anti-slipper pad. You can see that. Remove one of them and stick to your case. Okay. Okay, job done. Is it perfect for your project? You can make an anti-thief system by your Raspberry Pi, and you can also make your Raspberry Pi as a media center and like a backpack. You can hook up on your TV set, and also you can hook up on the wall with nail. Okay. All right, that's all. Thanks for watching, and I hope you can enjoy the video. We will see you next time. Okay, see ya.